Hi, this is what I tell my family law clients where there has been a history of domestic and family violence. I'm Sophia, I'm a family lawyer from Brisbane, and my firm has helped thousands of people over the years with their family law matters. This information is important to know right from the get-go. If you're in a family law situation right now, if you're going through it or you're going through the separation, this information will help you shed a little bit of light about potentially some things that are before you. Get ready to listen. It's not necessarily going to be nice, but you need to know it so that you're not confronted with this later. The first thing to know is that once you leave a domestic and family violence relationship, the perpetrator will often continue to use systems to try to continue to control the victim. This includes the family law system. This includes taking a matter to court. We know in family law that the statistic is 80% in parenting matters has reported domestic and family violence allegations. After separation, perpetrators will often escalate their controlling behavior and they will use the children as a pawn. And this is where it gets really dangerous, and it's really important to get legal advice early. Perpetrators will often use controlling behavior, intimidating behavior to try to get the victim to agree to what they want after separation. Perpetrators will threaten that they are going to get 50-50 care of the child or be the primary carer of the child after separation, and then they will pursue this line to get to court. It's really important that if you are leaving a domestic and family violence relationship, you get legal advice very early on, because often after separation or upon separation, the perpetrator will withhold the children as a tactic. This might not happen straight away, but once you've left and on one of the visits, they often withhold. This is one of the main reasons some matters end up in the Federal Circuit and Family Court of Australia, particularly if there's urgency and the children are at risk. Another tactic is the perpetrator will often try to interrupt any connections or supports the victim has by getting in and brainwashing or trying to isolate the victim from the supports. Like I said, it's really important that you get legal advice very early on to understand what you can do in a family law matter. The other thing you need to do is get supports early on. Get in contact with DV Connect, get in contact with a counsellor, call the police if you need to. Get a safety plan in place. Okay, these things you need to discuss with a DV counsellor or DV Connect. Do these things. Do not put them off. Do them early. You need to plan. You need to document. If this has been helpful, I really want to hear your thoughts. Please comment. I'd love hearing what people have to say. And also, don't forget to follow me for more legal TikTok and share with a friend if it's useful.